So this is the Autel BT609 battery tester. It's also a scanner too, but if you do in-vehicle test, it makes you put the VIN in. So I just wanted to check the battery, so I disconnected the cable and tested it as out of vehicle, so you don't have to put the VIN in. But if you were going to do other scans on it, it would be good to put the VIN in. $700 code cranking amps. Yeah, it's at 12.4 volts, but only 500 code cranking amps out of 700. It's been slow to start. These actually come with a 27 from the factory. It's got the big tray. But it did have a 24 in it. Either one will work, as long as it's got 700 code cranking amps. When you install a battery, you always want to put the positive in first, and then put the negative on last. So if you put the negative on first and then the positive on, some vehicles are set up different, but you can hit a ground with your wrench. It causes it to short. It'd be hard to do on this car, but it's good practice to do it the same every time. So this is a Lexus GX. You see the window light flashing. So anytime you replace a battery, you have to reset the windows. Yeah, roll it all the way down, then all the way up, and hold it for 5 seconds. And you gotta do it on the passenger side too. One 1,000, two 1,000, three 1,000, four 1,000, five 1,000. And then you gotta do it on the back ones. One. One 1,000, two 1,000, three 1,000, four 1,000, five 1,000. The light stops flashing. Do it to all 4 of them. Now they should all work from the drivers. They're all. None of the windows will work until you do their reset.